Good morning, traders. And here we are. We're back. We're Wednesday, and yeah, let's go again, right? So 6 a.m. We're looking at trading gold futures on the 5-minute chart. And potentially the next trade we could be looking at is a buy. Just got a few technical issues. Let me just sort StreamYard out. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Yeah, that's better. And yes, we're looking at gold. Got a strong candle right now. Must be some news coming out, which we'll have a look at in a minute. Yes, nothing showing on my FX book, but that's good momentum. And we can see we might go and test. Might test that trend line now, get up to that supply level. Yes, it's a good start to the market, 6 a.m. That sort of caught me off guard, and I've got a couple of issues with StreamYard here, but I think everything's working. And we got a buy signal coming in, but potentially too late for myself. We'll have a look on the next candle in 2 minutes. For myself, this buy flag's come in a little bit too late. We've broken well high above the high key level. So what I'm looking at is if we break that trend line and get a continuation of the price, we may take that buy. But yeah, we're just gonna wait just a couple of seconds now, and we'll have a look if we're gonna take the trade or not. So I'm not going to take this trade. Not happy with that first candle. Just was just too bullish, even though we're pushing through that trend line, and potentially we're going to break that resistance level or supply level, which we just done. Yeah, I'm not comfortable taking that trade, so I'm going to sit this one out. Those watching, what I've done here is put my 1-to-1 ratio box in if I was to take the trade. And what I've also done here is, you can see the 0.5 is my entry, 0 is my stop loss. 0.75 is 50% of the trade, which I would stay in. But if we got up to 0.87, which is around 75% profit, I'd then move my stop loss to break even. So it'll be interesting to see if the price can get up to 0.87. I want to move my stop to a break even. That would have been a profitable trade. For myself, I didn't take the trade. I didn't like that first bullish candle. It just pushed through the price too high for me, too far away from the Heikin-Ashi. And you can see now that supply level's back in. So we got a little bit of resistance there on this trade. But sod's law, it's probably going to hit take profit, right? But you know, just like a bus or a train, yeah, you know, there's always another trade. So yeah, we patiently wait until 8 AM. Yes, you got up to 50% of profit, but I would have kept my stop loss where it is, 1-to-1. Yeah, that trade sort of caught me by surprise. It was straight on 6 o'clock, and I was flapping around with the back office a little bit. So yeah, we'll wait for the next trade. Just gonna share results from yesterday. So we started back at 50k. So here's our results for yesterday. So yeah, we took a $600 profit yesterday minus the commissions. So we sit at a profit of 593, a profit target of 3,000. So just quickly show the chart. So here we are, and I'm hoping to get to this profit sooner rather than later, get myself onto the next challenge, get funded, and let's try and get the max 5 accounts, the top step. So there we are, the trades back to the entry level if we had taken it. So yeah, I'm quite glad now that we didn't. But I can see the price holding above that trend line. If it does, we'll have a bit of bullish momentum this morning. And we'll also see the price has opened above the VWAP as well. So potentially indicating some of the buyers are in control. Yeah, so hindsight now, yeah, glad we didn't get in that trade. Last three candles were bearish. We could be seeing the push back down, and I'm looking to get in a sell at the next opportunity. Yes, I think we've got a bit of a wait for the next trade. We can see the price, it's flirting around that 0.87 mark, which would have been 3/4 of a take profit, and we would have got our stock to a break even. So yeah, opportunity lost there. but then it's capital preservation, so I won't be too hard on myself. But yeah, the next trade I'm going to be looking for will be a sell on gold, but we're probably going to have a bit of a wait, and hopefully we can catch that before 8 AM. What I'm doing now is I'm keeping a diary of all the candles, of all the breaks, or all the flags on the strategy. So when we do our back testing, we can have a look the trades we took and the trades we missed, and it's just a reminder for myself of why we missed that trade. So yeah, we got up to 3/4 of the take profit, so yeah, we would have got a stop loss into about $60 profit there. We'd be about 450 up at the moment, but yeah, we're just gonna have to patiently wait for the next trade to come in. Yes, that's got into the take profit. Yeah, it's a shame we missed that. A couple of reasons why. Number one, it caught me a little bit off guard. We were just starting up the stream. I was had a couple of technical issues with StreamYard. Number two, that buy flag and that bullish candle just really pushed through that Fibonacci level up to the trend line. Potentially could have seen a reversal there. but we pushed through the price. We got a continuation, and we've gone up to our take profit. Missed opportunity, but on to the next. Yeah, it's a good idea to write down your stops and your take profits and any reason why. Like I say, you can do your back testing on the weekends. You can just have a look at your reasons, what's going on. So a quick look at yesterday. So yeah, we took this sell at 7:30, just after I ended the stream. We got a win there. Yes, we got the one trade away. And then if we just go back, I've been doing this for the last 2 months. I need to go back further. So you can see, not taking prices away from the hike in the VWAP here. So again, a missed opportunity. And I didn't take this trade here. So we got the flag here, but we didn't open above until after 8 AM, which was outside of my trading hours. Again, there was a sell here, which would have been into a take profit. And if we just keep going back through some of the data, and Mandela and I will do another backtest video on Friday. So we were taking the trade here. So here was the flag. Yeah, and you can see that was a loss, but then we had another buying opportunity at 7:15, which was a win. So So I've been doing that for the last 2 months. I want to get back at least 6 months data. Yeah, once we get that, then we'll have a much clearer indication of how the strategy is working and what the profitability would be. Another thing we need to do, because we're trading with prop firms, yeah, you do have drawdown limits, so we need to make sure that the strategy could be profitable over 6 months, but we can only take 3 losses in a row. So we just need to be mindful of that with the strategy as well. So we have to, rather than just count up the monetary value, we need to look into a win to loss ratio as well. Okay, so I'm waiting for a sell opportunity to present itself. Hopefully we're going to see that within the next 90 minutes. And yeah, hopefully we can get a trade away. Good morning.
Good morning. How's it going? How's it going?
It's going okay. So thanks for joining. Just give a quick recap. So yeah, missed a buying opportunity. Sort of caught me out. It was when I was going live on the stream. Had a few issues with StreamYard as well. Yeah, so missed that opportunity. It was a good buy. Yeah, it went up to like 75% take profit. Would have moved my stop to break even and then went up to the TP. So yeah, happy with that. I missed that. I was just explaining that I'm actually marking my charts up as I go along. So when we're doing the back test, we can look at any missed opportunity. And I was just saying as well, because we're trading a prop firm, you have like a drawdown limit. So even though the strategy could be profitable over 6 months, we just need to make sure the win to loss ratio outnumbers. So really, we could only take 3 losses in a row. So far, it's just the 1 loss. So yeah, we seem to be profitable at the moment, the way we're going. I'm hoping to get a sell in before 8 o'clock.
Oh, that would be nice. That would be nice. Looking to get a sell short. Okay. Oh, that would be good. Yesterday was a good day, right?
Yeah, so we took 600 profit yesterday. As soon as I ended the stream, so I ended the stream about 7:30, and 7:35 the opportunity come along, which is just typical, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll just quickly show you now where we're at. So yeah, we were back to 50k. We took a $600 profit yesterday, minus the commission, so 593. Just quickly looking at the equity curve, here we're at. So 1 day, and we need to get up to 53. So, but you can see with the prop firm, it's got a trailing stop of $2,000. So that's why we can only now maximum take three expenses in a row.
Okay.
So
I see.
yeah, so far on the back testing, we're not seeing that, but yeah, we'll keep going.
So when you say 3 expenses, is that based on your stop loss, or is it that's their rule?
Yeah, that's the rule. So maximum drawdown is $2,000. So 3 expenses in a row would be $1,800. Ultimately, the challenge would be over, right? I'd only have $200. So I'd have to, really lower the lot size. It'd probably take me months and just to get that back.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Okay.
So
that's fascinating. We need to do a prop firm show dedicated to prop firms.
Yeah, definitely. I think it'd be good to review some of the prop firms I've been working with. Top Step, amazing customer support. They've been really good, interactive on social media as well. So, they've been giving us some support on Twitter, or X as we call it now. So yeah, they've been fantastic. So they've been great. Some of the other prop firms, you got the older prop firms, FTMO, the 5%ers, which are great. 5%ers, their leverage is quite low, so only 1 to 10. So it does take you longer to pass. But from what I've seen from the 5%ers, they definitely pay out as FTMO. Mm-hmm. So for myself, I'm looking at the more reputable prop firms, not these ones that just pop up every day on Twitter. I'm looking at someone that's been around. I think Top Step's been around for about 12 years.
Oh wow!
So yeah, that's the sort of thing I'm looking at. Is how long they've been in business for as well.
Yeah. Doesn't I want to say his name is Gary, the trader. You were the one that got him. Does he?
Yeah,
he does 5%.
That's right, Gary, the scruffy trader. Yeah, he was a good guest. I haven't spoke to him in a while. I might probably will reach out to him to see how he's doing. Might be good getting back on the show just to get a little progress report from him. Yeah. But yeah, he's been working with the 5%ers for years. I think the 5%ers have been in business over 10 years, same as FTMO.
Oh wow, okay. Yeah, I think he was a great guest. I really enjoyed having him on, and he's one of those like experienced investors. I liked him. Really genuine guy.
Yeah, he was genuine, and he wasn't trying to sell you a lifestyle either. There's no flashy car, flashy watches. I think what we've seen is what we got.
Yeah,
and I quite liked his approach as well. Once he made his daily profit target, he just walks away, right? Enjoys his day. Yeah. So I thought, yeah, he was a good guest, good guy.
Yeah, so many people forget the reason why we're trading is to have a better life and to enjoy life. You're not trading to trade more.
Yeah, for me, it's about the freedom that comes with trading.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just want to get in 6 to 8. That this is the plan. Trade 6 to 8. Probably quick hour, beauty sleep, and then go about my day.
Yeah, that's it. I think that's what life is about. I just pulled up Gary's. Oh, is that a signal to buy?
Yes, that's coming from the VWAP, and it's giving us a bearish indication. But I'm not looking to get into the trade until we break below this Heikin-Ashi level. So, and I'd like to see a break below the VWAP as well. So, probably looking to get a trade 26.38.
26.38. Okay, 26.38 would be a short, right?
Yeah, definitely going short on the next trade.
Okay.
I don't know if you've got any news for today to share with us.
Yeah, I can do a bit of news because I know. I'm sorry, I was a little bit late again today.
Are we used to it by now?
Look, I'm giving it back to you. Well, yeah, it's the universe. That's what I'll say. I think tomorrow I'll be up earlier. I keep saying that. I can share my screen if that helps.
Yeah, that'd be good help. Yeah. Well, Christmas is coming, so your present's sorted. You're getting a London alarm clock. Yeah, you're gonna get a ticker for the UK, I think.
That's what I need. A ticker for the UK. That's hilarious. I will never be late again. All right, so for today, really quickly, we do have some big news coming out of the US, but before that, we'll have the 10-year Treasury auction from out of the UK. So these are all UK times, I believe, or London time. Yeah, this is London time. The big headline announcement is gonna be, where is it? I thought it was inflation. I'm losing it here, Andrew. Maybe it's tomorrow.
We got crude oil investments today, right?
Crude oil inventories comes out at 3:30. That's a big one. Crude oil imports actually. Yeah, I thought we had inflation must be tomorrow. I was getting ahead of myself here. We have a few Fed speakers. Yeah, crude oil inventories. That's the big one. Three stars, and then a few more Fed
Any projection
speakers.
for oil? I know, the conflict in the Middle East has been heating up, and I was expecting a larger, price at the pumps, which I'm
Yeah.
happy we haven't had.
Yes. Well, so the last week we had a pretty big up move in oil, but it's kind of paused here a little bit. So if we just do a quick measurement, yeah, a lot of people expected the price of oil to move more. So from Tuesday, last week, it's been as high as it's increased by about 15%, and now it's about 10% on Tuesday. So I do think that if nothing changes, everything remains the same, we'll slowly see oil continue higher. If we zoom out, it has been considerably higher. Talking about the all-time highs in oil, it's been above 100, and we are now sitting at 73, 71.
I remember
some potential here.
We've been doing this for so long. I actually remember the time when oil was down to $0 a barrel. Yeah, no, and I was gonna go full tilt, all in oil, and the broker wouldn't allow it. Funny that, but yeah. But look at that now. The return you would have had.
That shows how long we've been at this. This is not just our first rodeo.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go back here. I want to just see, because we also use Forex Factory, don't we? So let's see. Alright, so Forex Factory is similar here. Yeah. So I must be thinking about, I was thinking about Thursday. I was a day ahead. So Thursday, tomorrow, we'll get the CPI numbers at 1:30 London time, which is a big one. But for today, let's stick to today. We just have that crude oil inventories and then some Fed speak. We get the FOMC minutes and then some more Fed speak. So not a whole lot today, Andrew. But I think the big news is going to be tomorrow at around 1:30 London time. So I can cover that tomorrow when I'm here at 6:29 with you.
Right. Okay, I'll hold you to that. Yeah, it'd be quite good if you give us an explanation, especially on unemployment claims. That seems to pop up. Not a lot of traders are unsure what it is.
Yeah, I can definitely walk through that. I'm happy to walk through that. We keep talking about other shows, but it would be good to do like a data show or like news, what to look for, that sort of thing.
Yeah, I think an explanation on the key news, that'd be great, and I think a lot of people watching find it really interesting as well, just to have a better understanding what red folder news is and how it impacts the markets. So we've got a sell flag in, but I'm not going to take that trade yet. What I'm looking at is a break of the VWAP of the Fibonacci here. So yeah, 26.38. Yeah, seems the level. I'll be interested in the trade.
26.38. Okay. And
yes.
Can you, just for I guess for new viewers, because I always see that we have viewers and we get new viewers. Are you able to just walk through what's your checklist? Because you're saying you're gonna hold, or what are you waiting for? I guess.
Yeah. So checklist number one is got a sell flag here. But for me, okay, that's just an indicator to say, like, be ready. Secondly, then I'm looking at the supply and demand levels here. Yeah, I need to make sure the price got some room to move, which it has at the moment. Yes, we could get the move down to the demand here. I've also got like a Fibonacci in here, which is a good trend indicator. And what I'll be looking at is the price to break below the Fibonacci, and then that'll give me a good idea, that we are in a downward movement. Also got the VWAP as well. So quite a lot of indicators on the chart, but because I'm trading on the 5 minutes as well, just want to make sure that we get the direction right. If I was trading on a larger time frame, probably take some of these away, and just go back to your basic technical analysis. But yeah, at the moment it's just telling me to be ready, and that's why I got the alerts on as well. And then I'm just looking for the opportunity.
Yeah, nice. I just hear the alert. You mentioned the alerts and they appear.
Yeah. So yeah, still interested in this trade, not yet. Yeah, we got the flag is in, but another thing as well, if we get too many candles after this flag, probably invalidates it a bit. So
does it matter?
Yeah.
Does it matter if they're red candles or green candles, or just any candles?
Yeah. So really, for this sell to be valid, we're gonna need some red candles, right? We're gonna need to push down. So got the flag in here, but don't get me wrong, the price can go up, and then that flag's invalid.
Yeah. So you want to see push down?
Yeah, I want to get a push. Yeah, just below here.
Okay. And I also see the notes down the bottom that there was some issues.
Yeah, so a few StreamYard issues, and for myself, this flag came in to buy, but it pushed strong above the Fibonacci into this trend line here. Yeah. So I was a little bit cautious to take that trade, just in case this was acting as resistance, but we broke through that. I would have taken the trade here, and then it pushed up into the take profit. But yeah, we missed our trade. The trade, literally as soon as I turned the PC on, the trade come in. So yeah, just a little bit slow to react, and I was a little bit cautious because of this trend line here. But it was a good trade, right? It broke above the trend line, broke above the VWAP, and yeah, it was a good push up into take profit. But I said earlier, it's like a bus in a train, right? There's always another one, another trade will come along. So yeah, won't be too hard on myself for missing that. Yeah, but hopefully we can get another trade off now before 8 o'clock.
Looks like it's moving a little bit. I know yesterday. Do you know what time that trade was that you made yesterday? Was it after 7?
Yeah. So I think we ended the stream at 7:30. Just got a bit. So we're taking the trade here. So yeah, 7:30 the trade came in. Okay. And I think I ended the stream around here.
Okay, so it would have been closer to 8 yesterday. Yeah, that was a great trade yesterday, by the way.
Yeah, so I'm trading 1-to-1. But looking at that, it could have been, what's that, 3-to-1, 4-to-1. So if I'd held out, could have been a very profitable trade. But I'm happy to trade 1-to-1 at the moment. It's just a waiting game now, right? So that's the thing when you're trading live and streaming. It's not as exciting as if you're streaming a video game or you're going through like a load of content and gossip to talk about. But we keep that for the other shows. This show it's not the most exciting, but we're here live trading, and we're here to trade. We're here to hopefully make some money.
Yeah. And this is the reality of trading. This is what it looks like. So I think a lot of people have this idea in their head, but this is it.
Yeah, absolutely. This is trading, right? Just patience, waiting for your opportunity, and then take it. So yeah, it is a game of patience, but it can be very rewarding as well.
Yeah, absolutely. We've seen that. We've seen the rewards come very fast. What else do we have? Oh, so today is we were talking about Gary. So for anybody who wanted to check it out, it was markets are easy, the hard part is you. Special guest Gary Langley, the Scruffy Trader. That was our episode 10. So have a look at Gary's interview. And today, Andrew, is our 7-year anniversary. So 7 years of being on YouTube today.
7 years putting up with me.
Yes. Feel like I deserve some reward or something.
Yeah, well, you get an alarm clock for Christmas. What more do you want?
There we go. Yeah, that's fine. That's enough. That's enough. But yeah, it's been a great 7 years. Doesn't really feel like 7 years when we started this YouTube thing.
Yeah, the time's gone so quick, and I can remember when you first suggested YouTube, I was like dead against it. I'm not going on YouTube.
Yeah, I remember. And now look at you. You're getting on 6 in the morning every day, and and you're also driving the shows. You're doing it all.
Yeah, it's quick crash course in StreamYard. A few WhatsApps to you help, but we got there in the end, right? So so that's you can see now that cell's coming in. So we got 3 minutes left. So if the next candle opens below this, I'm gonna take this trade. So I'm just gonna start getting some stuff ready.
Yeah, it's also interesting sometimes when you're analyzing, you see a short, and then when I'm analyzing, I see a long, and we could both be right. We could both make money.
Yeah, there's got to be buyers and sellers, right? Like you taught me that when I first got into trading. So what I've done here is, here's the 1-to-1, right? And what I've done then is, here's my entry, here's my stop loss, and this is 75% profit. So if the price gets to here, I'm looking to get that stop into break even.
Mm-hmm. What is that? Where did you get that indicator? Because I've never seen that one before. It's really cool.
It's a GAN box, GANN box.
Okay, that's what the GAN box is. Okay, I've seen it. I've seen the GAN, but I didn't know. So that gives you your percentages. So once you get to 75,
so
stop loss.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, I think the numbers may be wrong. That should be like 0.5 and 0.87. But so here's going to be the entry. Here's 50% profit. Here's 75%. And I'm looking to get a break even when we get to this level here. So we just got under 2 minutes, and potentially we'll take this trade. If I take the trade, then we'll hop over to Top Step X. We can see the trade live.
So you're waiting? Are you waiting for the 5-minute candle to close?
I am, yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, it looks like it's coming down. Do you ever look at the Asian range at all, or at any point?
Yeah, I do. So I have a quick look at the higher high, lower low after the session. I also have a look at the trend as well. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and if I do trade after 8 o'clock, I'm looking at that Asian breakout then that you trade.
Oh yeah.
But the idea is now not to trade after 8 o'clock.
Right. I want to give a shout out to all our live listeners, live watchers of these early morning shows. Thank you for your support, really. Yeah,
appreciate it. It's early as well, but what's that saying from Wall Street? Money never sleeps. So if you want to trade, sometimes you have to trade these unsociable hours, right? But then you can get the rest of the day back to yourself.
Yeah, that's a fantastic way to look at it.
Right, so I'm going to take this trade. Yes, I've taken this trade on top step, and once we get around to about 0.75, I'll swap the screen over. So yeah, we're sitting at the entry price at the moment.
Very nice. Another question. Do you look at imbalances, or is that something that you just keep in the back of your head?
Yeah, back of the head. So because I'm on the M5, I'm not really looking that far out. I'm just just looking at these levels here.
Right.
Yeah, if I was taking along, like we're only taking 30 pips, right? So if I was looking for a much longer trade, yeah, I'd be looking at H4, H1, be looking at volumes, be looking at trends, etc. But because I'm trading such a small time frame, yeah, I'm not really going into that much deep analysis. I'm just really just trading what I see. So we've got the sell here, we've got the break below the VWAP, Fibonacci. So that's what I'm looking to take the trade, really to be in and out. Yeah, if you think about it, was the 30 pips? It's not really a big move for gold.
Yeah.
It actually looks larger than what it is because we're on the M5.
I see. Yeah.
Just hop over to top step. So I'll just go back to like to watch it on trading view. Yeah, got the markups there, but we can see where we are on top step, and then yeah, if we get to this level, we'll jump back over, hopefully into a take profit. But so what I'm looking at now is I'm hoping for this next candle to open below as well. That'll give me a little bit extra confidence and confirmation that we're going to get this downward move.
Very precise. I like it. I like it. I've just gotten on my side. I've just started playing around with the GAN box. So if I'm quiet, I'm just clicking
Right, okay.
a GAN box. This is like a brand new toy for me.
Yeah, just for me, it just gives me the indication of when to move that stop into break even. I've been guilty in the past of maybe getting like 40-50% of the trade, getting the stop into break even, trade reversing, hitting that profitable stop, and then continuing its downward momentum. So I've lost a lot of money that way.
Yeah.
So I think it's safe to say if you're 3/4 of the way to your take profit, I think it's a sensible thing to do then. But if you're around this level here, you could be moving your stop too soon.
Yeah, I agree. And are you putting your the 0 point at your entry?
Though the zero's my stop loss.
You stop. I see. Okay.
Yes, that's the stop. That's the entry, and that's the 3/4 profit. Take profit. The silence.
Yeah, looking to see. I'm trying to think. Notifications. I'm anxious not to jump off, but I'm getting up to the time. I can't look away though. I can't look away.
Yeah, no, if you need to jump off, that's fine. I'll catch up with you tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I think let's do that. Andrew, congratulations again for making it to 7 years on YouTube. I think it's a great accomplishment, and I forget to celebrate the wins. So just need to remember to celebrate the wins.
Yeah, you got to celebrate those wins, right? But no, thanks for joining. Thanks for the news update, and yeah, I'll catch up with you later, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, sounds good, Andrew. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
I just want to say I love the graphics, man. Keep it up.
Right, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers, mate.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
So yeah, we're still in this cell, so we've gone short here. Like I said in the past, I've been guilty of moving that stop loss to break even too soon, and then being taken out of the trade only for it to move downwards. So I'm in this trade until it gets to about 0.87. Then I'd move the stop to break even, or we're going to hit the stop loss, right? So it's in the hands of the trading gods now, and let's see how this trade plays out. Okay, we're hitting that level, so I'm going to swap over to top step X, and let's get this stop into break even. And the reason for we've hit 3/4 of our trade, so we just want to make sure we leave this trade profitable if we can. I'm hoping to get down to that take profit level, and yeah, we just had a good move on this candle. Yes, with 440 in profit, 430 in profit, but yeah, we've got a nice move down now. So the trade's covered. We got some expenses in the bank. Sorry, we got some profit in the bank, and yeah, hopefully we can get that final push down to the take profit. Typical. Thanks, it's Negan. Thanks for letting me know. I was actually on the wrong account. So it's actually on the practice account and not my 50k combined. Damn, that's 2 trades I've missed. 2 trades I've missed this morning. Now I'm annoyed. Thanks, it's Negan. Thanks for letting me know. Do you know what? I didn't even check. Can't believe it. Okay, well, strategy works, but we don't make any money today. No, thanks, it's Negan. Brilliant. Yeah, gonna need you on the show more often and just to check my accounts for me. Can't believe it. Damn. Anyway, well, listen, at least the strategy worked, right? There's a positive from this negative. I can't believe it. Never mind. Anyway, let's go back to trading view. Yeah, so we can see I missed this one here. I had some issues with StreamYard. Candle was too strong for me. Went up to the trend line here. Didn't like the look of the trade. Trade broke above VWAP and trend line. Went into take profit, so that's one I missed. And with the selling opportunity here, which went into the take profit, and I was on the wrong account. Oh well. I can't see me taking another trade this morning, and back to it tomorrow morning. So just Orion's Turtle, what's telling me that I have a chance of breaking the demand of that big green bar. So that demand level, it's a support level, right? You know, they call supply and demand. People, oldies like myself, we would call that support and resistance. So that's a support level, and what I'm looking at, you can see there's the lower low here, a higher low. That's what's formed that support level here. And if we break that, we'd actually be breaking support, and then I'd potentially be looking at another movement down. So I'm just gonna clean this chart up. Thanks for those who watched. Thanks for the comments. Yeah, DJ Trader. Yeah, a lot of people are trading ES. A good friend of mine actually only trades NQ. Doing very well, both quite profitable with Top Step. So at the moment, I'm in the flow with gold. I'm like quite aware of the price. I seem to understand the range, but yeah, I'll look into ES. Thanks for the comment. So as I said earlier, I journal as I go along. So it just helps me with the back testing and gives me an understanding of why I've taken a trade or why I wouldn't have taken it. So yeah, we would have won that trade, but we missed it. Wrong account. I hope that's not the start to my Wednesday, right? DJ Trader, excellent, well done. That's really, really good. And yeah, probably reach out to yourself for some help and hints. No, congratulations, man. It's really, really good. Well done. Okay, guys, so I'm not going to take another trade now. This morning, we could bounce off its demand level. Potentially another buy could come in. Like I said, I'm only trading on M5. So, we're just looking for those small moves, trading 1-to-1 for 30 points. So yeah, I'm going to end the stream. Thanks to everyone that's joined. I'm back tomorrow. I'm here from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday to Friday. So yes, it's great in the comments. Thanks for all your input. Yeah, big shout out to It's Negan for letting me know I was on the wrong account. It won't happen again. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks very much.